Welcome back to this video tutorial. In this video, we can learn how to pass structure variable as a function argument. Right? Here we have the function, here we have the structure with name student. And what are the members of this structure? A character array for representing the name of student and two floating point variables representing the mark of first year and total marks in second year. Okay, so here we have one function and this function follows the method of call by value implementation, right? So simply named it as pass by value. And how many arguments are present here? Here we have two different parameters. The first one is a structure variable. Okay. First one is structure variable for the structure student. How many such variables are represented here? Total 50 number of such structure variables. Each variable indicate a particular student of a class. And here we have a number, an integer variable. So inside this main, again declare 50 number of structure variables. Okay. Then we need to, here it reads the number of students present in your class. Total 50 such structure variables are allotted. And now we need to read the number of students present in your class. Suppose I am going to read some 5. That means we need 5 number of students. Okay. And for that 5 number of students, we need to read the name, the first year mark and second year mark. How can we read? We can read and initialize each and every student variables. Okay. First stud of 0 dot student name, stud of 0 dot first year mark, stud of 0 dot second year mark. All these informations are needed for initializing first student details. And similarly, we need to read and initialize each and every student details. Okay. After that, we can call this function. For calling, we need to consider the body of this function, that is pass by value. We can again initialize 50 and the number of students in class. These are the two variables that we want to pass into this function. Okay, using this information, we can calculate the sum of the first year mark and second year mark of each student. Right? Stud of I dot first year marks plus stud of I dot second year marks. What is the meaning? This is present inside this loop. So, in each iteration, it calculates the total marks obtained in first year and second year, the sum of these total marks of a particular student, and is compared with this 150. If the sum value is greater than or equal to 150, then that particular student is eligible for the scholarship. Otherwise, the particular student is not eligible for any scholarship. Okay, so inside this loop, the first case stud of 0 dot first year marks plus stud of 0 dot second year mark. That means find the sum of the first student of our class. In the second iteration, it find out the sum of the second student of the sum of the marks obtained for the second student of the class, and so on. Okay, so by calling this, we need to pass the name of the structure variable. No need to specify the size or number of structure declared. We need to simply pass the name of the structure variable. Okay, the name of the structure variable is stud. We don't want to specify the size or number of such variables. We need to simply pass the name of the variable along with number of students, an integer variable. Okay, this is the method of calling a function in which one of the argument is a structure variable. This is a valid case. we don't want to specify the number of variables. We want to specify the name of the structure variable. This is enough here while calling. Okay, now we can execute this. Okay, so I'm going to enter number of student in the class as 5. Enter the first student name A. In the first student first year mark is set as 60 and the first student second year mark is set as 50. Okay, and for the second student we want to enter the name, that is B here, and I'm going to enter his first year mark at 70 and second year mark as 80, and the third student name and set as C, mark 50 50. Next is D, 60 70. Okay, next enter next student name E with mark 80 80. So from these details it is clear that A is not eligible for scholarship, B is eligible, C is not eligible, D is not eligible, and finally E is eligible for scholarship because their first year and second year mark, the total of first and second year mark is greater than or equal to 150. So they are eligible for scholarship. Okay, from this program it is clear that while passing a structure variable as an argument to function, we need to follow this syntax. Okay, and and the same syntax is valid for this function definition part also. And by calling, we need to specify the name of the variable. No need to specify the size or number of structure variables. We need to specify the name only. Okay, so this is the case of passing structure variable as an argument to function, and the function is implemented here with the help of call by value or pass by value method. Okay.